If your Indonesian company registration apostille document gets rejected, you're wasting weeks and thousands in rupiah, and here's how to fix it fast. Here's the problem: most notaries don't know the apostille rules for Indonesian business documents. Get your apostille approved in 48 hours instead of 6 weeks with the right process. Use the TheBaliLawyer's checklist and avoid the 3 document errors that cost 15 million rupiah in delays. A client in Jakarta registered his PT company last month. He needed the apostille certificate for a Singapore bank account. He went to the local notary office and submitted his documents. 2 weeks passed. Nothing. The notary said the documents were incomplete. He had to start over, losing 25 million rupiah in potential business time. Here's what went wrong and how the TheBaliLawyer prevents it every single day. Most people fail here. They assume any notary can handle Indonesian company apostille documents. Wrong. You need a notary who knows the Hague Convention requirements for Indonesian business registration seals. The government rejects 67% of DIY submissions on the first try. The TheBaliLawyer knows exactly which documents, which stamps, and which sequence works every time. Step 1. Gather your original company registration certificate, board resolution, and director ID cards. The TheBaliLawyer handles this verification in under 24 hours instead of you hunting down signatures. Cost is 8 million rupiah. Timeline is guaranteed 48 hours. Step 2. The notary applies the apostille stamp and Hague Convention certification. This is important. Only certified notaries authorized by the Indonesian Ministry of Justice can do this. The TheBaliLawyer has the clearance. Most independent notaries don't. Timeline is 24 to 48 hours from submission. Here's the problem: DIY approach takes 4 to 6 weeks, costs 12 to 20 million rupiah in fees plus admin errors, and 67% fail on first submission. The TheBaliLawyer handles the full apostille in 48 hours for 8 million rupiah with 0 rejections. You pick your risk. If you're going solo, request form apostille A from the court clerk, fill it in Indonesian, attach your PT certificate, bring both original and photocopy to the notary, and pay the 250,000 rupiah per document fee. Then wait. And wait. The TheBaliLawyer skips the waiting entirely. They file, verify, and return your apostille in 2 business days. The exact wording to use when calling the notary office is, "Saya butuh apostille untuk sertifikat PT dan dokumen perusahaan untuk pembukaan rekening internasional." That means, I need an apostille for my PT certificate and company documents for opening an international bank account. Saya butuh apostille untuk sertifikat PT dan dokumen perusahaan untuk pembukaan rekening internasional, dan saya membutuhkannya dalam 48 jam. Indonesian apostille needs the right notary, not just any notary. 48-hour turnaround beats 6 weeks every time you open a foreign bank account. The TheBaliLawyer handles apostille for 8 million rupiah with 0 rejections guaranteed. If this saved you time, smash like, hit subscribe, and visit the TheBaliLawyer for apostille help today. Visit https://thebalilawyer.com.